interval. Who knows confidence interval?
Maybe.
Who want to know confidence? Who can explain us what is confidence interval? In English.
A confidence interval is the interval in which we can be certain by, for example, 95% that the mean of the data is located within it.
Okay, the statistics in your example is the mean, but the parameters that I'm searching is in the confidence interval. How can I create the interval?
You take the value that you have, that you measured from the sample, and you double it with the gamma, which is the z, with the alpha that you have specified in the first place, multiplied by the sigma.
Okay, so let's say that we know the parameter of the population distribution, and we know that the population distribution has normal distribution. Okay, and this is the mu, and we have some standard deviation. Okay, now I'm sampling n data point from the distribution, and I have what?
Mu hat.
Mu hat. Okay, the mu hat is the mu of the sample. Okay, so what I want to say in confidence interval? What is the question?
What is the distance before and after this mu hat that you will have 95% confidence that the real mu relies in it?
Okay, so if I know the distribution parameter, I can say that around this mu, two standard deviation for each side. Lie how much of the data?
95.
95% of the data. Okay?
To sigma.
If I know the sigma, okay, I can say in the same way that from this mu hat, the population mean will be in this interval 95% of the time.
The unobserved mean.
Obviously I don't have, but let's say I have.
You have to observe and you look at
Let's say I have the population mean and standard deviation. Okay?
sample population or
The population, not the sample. Let's say I have it.
okay.
Okay, so I can say, or only the standard deviation, not the mean. I can say that the population mean is in this interval 95% of the time.
But it's not sigma hat.
Let's say I have the sigma.
Okay.
Okay, and this is straightforward from what?
From the PDF?
Central limit theorem. Okay. In real life, we don't have the population mean and sigma, so we will use sigma hat. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We won't talk about why we can do it, but it will be the same. 95% of the time, the real mu or real mean will be in this interval. Okay, according to the sample parameter. Okay, so how I build the confidence interval? I build it with the sample parameter. Okay, so if I'm asking, the question is asking, using confidence interval, determine feature for which you can state with confidence of 95% that the healthy population mean is larger or smaller than the disease population mean. What will be the process?
So calculate the intervals, and then you look in separately for healthy and sick. And now you need to look about the relation between the intervals.
Which means
The intervals and the
Remember.
critical value.
Take the difference of the means of the
Yeah, the SE
sick and healthy
parameter.
for each feature.
okay, I have two intervals, right? Anyone?
So you can take the upper bound from the upper one and the lower bound from the
Okay.
second one.
So
and see
if
it's
this value is smaller than this value, I can say with 95% confidence that the population of this group is larger than the first group. Okay, so this is a process. How are we do? How we will do it?
we just said. What do you mean?
How we will do it in Python? This is it.
You separate between the two populations. You measure the mu. You use I don't remember that's the possibility. We saw MATLAB.
So we'll do.
No, we
Python.
saw no. Well, we saw in MATLAB the same thing. Basically, there's a calculation.
So R showed you.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
so
can just
give
take
Python.
No, but
Python it's much more easy.
actually, I did the same thing as we did.
You calculate the mu for each sample you want. Then you have the differences between the mu's, and then you put the interval on the side, and you check to see if it's in the interval.
Or we can use a library that will do it for us.
יופי.
So compare means sick healthy. The library called statsmodel.stat API. Okay, stats model. This is the name of the library. And the library has object called compare means. And after I'm putting each one, sorry, discrete stats W, this is the object, and I'm taking the healthy group in the specific column and the C group in the specific column, and then I have T conf
Okay.
interval diff that calculating exactly this. Okay? But you can do it in your
Honestly,
Obviously.
it was easier.
if you do it correctly, you will get the same results. And the results are this is the column that the mean of the healthy group is larger than the C group, and these are the column the other way around. Any question about that?
Can you repeat how did you did it here without the library? In theory.
I didn't do it without the library, but if you're taking the first group and calculate the mean and the standard deviation,